Hello my friends, welcome to Bunny Tales. Today we're going to make a craft for the letter N. We are going to make a nest. We're going to start out with a piece of green paper. I'm going to cut it in half and then use both halves because I am making two ends. You start out by cutting a little cut on the edge of the paper just like this, but don't get all the way to the edge. You'll stop before you get to the end of the paper. Then you're going to cut out a triangle just like this. You're going to do this on both sides. Once you're done cutting out both triangles, you will have a letter N. Now that we have two letter N's, it's time to cut out the nest. I'm going to use this piece of brown paper and cut it out like a nest. After that, I'm going to get a piece of yellow paper and I'm going to cut out a little bird. I'm doing two of everything today because I'm going to make this craft with my little friend. Then I'm going to use white paper to cut out some eggs. Now I'm going to use some brown yarn and cut it like this so that I can turn it into little twigs for the nest. Now that we have all of our pieces, we're ready to make our nest craft. I'm just going to get my friend here. Hello, my friend.
Hi.
Hi, today we're going to make a craft about the letter N. Do you know any words that start with the letter N?
Nurse, night, narwhal, and nest.
Very good. And that's what we're going to make today. We are going to make a nest. Do you know what lives in a nest?
A bird.
Very good. We're going to have a bird and a nest on the letter N. Now we're going to use this as the nest, and then we're going to put some yarn on it.
They look just like the twigs on a real nest.
Yes, they do. And then we're going to put something in the nest. What do you think we're going to put in the nest?
Eggs.
Good job. We're going to have some eggs in the nest.
The birds must have laid these eggs and I'm gonna make this egg hatch.
Very good. Now we're going to write the word nest. Do you know how to spell nest?
N-E-S-T.
Good job. Finally, we're going to practice writing the uppercase and lowercase n at the bottom. Thank you for making this craft with me.
Thank you. Bye.
I hope you enjoyed making this craft with your little ones. Please subscribe to Bunny Tales. Thank you.